again. Hopefully by this time you have gained some understanding of the culture of the STARS organization. But here's a review. We are dedicated to our mission to serve others. This means we serve others with care and compassion and through hard work. As Martin Luther King Jr. once said, all labor that uplifts humanity has dignity and importance and should be undertaken with painstaking excellence.
Our culture is also built around core values. We empower our patients and their families. We partner with others to achieve our mission. We promote diversity, equity, inclusion, and anti-racism, both within our company and in the communities we serve. And we act ethically with integrity.
Another way to think about our company culture is that it focuses on a positive customer experience. We want all those who encounter us to have a positive experience, whether they be our patients and families or stakeholders in the communities that we serve. That customer experience approach also extends to you, our staff. We strive to have the same care and compassion for our employees as we do with our patients. We want you to have a positive employee experience. This last section of our overview covers how we do that through our training and our engagement with our employees. Let's hear about the STARS company culture from some of our staff.
Why is SBHG a great place to work? I love working at SBHG because for a new therapist, it's a really great place to get all your training. All of the supervisors and therapists are really grounded in evidence-based practices, which means we provide a lot of training. You'll get training on how to use data-driven care. You'll get training on completing assessments and treatment plans, how to do Department of Mental Health paperwork. We really ground you in the basics, the foundational tasks and skills that you'll need to grow in your career.
One of the primary reasons why I'm at HBHG and why I love working for this company are the relationships I've built over a 20-year period. I love the relationships, and that's what primarily kept me at Starview.
I really enjoy the people I work with. We have a group of clinicians and support staff and supervisors, and they do a great job of working together to provide mental health services for our community in the best way possible.
I think that SBHG is a really wonderful company to work for. The employees, the management team, they're all very open. There's a very open door policy. There's a lot of transparency. I feel like there's a lot of excellent teaming that comes here at the workplace, and I feel very supported. I've enjoyed my time here so far, and I can't imagine being anywhere else.
I think that the work that we do here is priceless. I get to oversee the schooling program where we provide services to over 40 schools in multiple school districts, providing mental health services to their students.
SBHG is a great place to work because this company really shows you that staff voices matter. And the most powerful example of that is that the COO created the employee advisory group that we call Voices. And in Voice, we talk directly with the higher ups about staff needs and the future of this company. And being a part of the decisions that are being made in this company and the future of it is really empowering, and seeing how much the higher ups care about direct service staff is just really wonderful to be a part of.
Well, I love working here at SBHG because SBHG is a company that just really dedicated to the community. We work really hard with working with families that may be facing some life challenges, and just being here has been such an amazing experience for me.
The fact that I've had the ability to grow within the company, that I've had different positions. I've been here about going on 7 years, and I've had just tremendous growth, not only in my personal life, but work, just all around and across every setting.
The company's culture is very diverse. So the company has done a great job with recruiting folks with multiple skills, multiple talents, and for race and ethnicity.
The culture at SBHG, I feel, is very unique specifically here. There is a lot of collaboration, there's a lot of open and honesty. I really feel that everyone that works here at SBHG truly enjoys the work that they're doing. And one of the things we say here at SBHG is whatever it takes, whether that is working directly with the clients and families we service or in working in a team setting with the other employees here. And I think our culture speaks to that pretty big, and it makes you feel very comfortable and able to be yourself.
Culture here is about growth for the employees, promoting within. I started out as a supervisor and now I'm a director. And longevity, recognizing our staff through awards and recognitions, productivity bonuses.
Our culture is a very engaging one. When new staff come on board, we try to welcome them and support them, and they find that they are part of a team to help a bigger purpose, to help serve the mental health needs in our community.
We are very kind to one another. We are very adaptable to one another. We are like to call ourselves members of the CIA, which stands for character, integrity, and accountability. And that is what we really embody when we're working with our families, working with each other, really stepping out the norm of doing whatever it takes to be a success for the families for which we're serving in the community.
Our company's culture within our program, we're very strength-based, which has actually it's what we live by. This is what we do. You know, we take the whatever it takes approach based off of what we're good at, what our families are good at, and we build, blueprints off of that. And so I think that, within our company, the fact that we're very strength-based, that we help each other out, that, we're there for each other, and we build relationships. I think that all translates, and, when we're out in the field and we're working with our families. So it's really just about strength-based and unity.
I really love the culture here at SBHG. One of the great things about it is the team structure that we have. So every supervisor oversees their own team. And what happens is each team develops kind of its own culture. So you really start bonding with a very specific group of people, and each team may have their own way to celebrate birthdays or their own way to do their treatment team meetings and their staff meetings. You really find that you have kind of a very tight support group in your team. And it's not just, this sort of massive group of people where you don't necessarily connect with people on a daily or weekly basis because you have your own team.
SBHG is only as good as our staff, or a better way to say it is that we are an outstanding organization because we have an outstanding staff. To help our staff succeed, we have to have a robust training program that starts with this new hire orientation and extends to the job-specific training and coaching you will receive from your supervisor during your introductory period. It can be pretty overwhelming to come on as a new employee with our company because there's so much to learn. The first 90-day period for new staff is really a learning experience that starts in the classroom but goes on to the work site and working with peers at each supervisor to continue the learning process.
Our training extends to specialized areas you've heard about, such as using our electronic medical record or learning an evidence-based practice. You'll learn about STARS University, our online learning management system, in this orientation.
And finally, to create and nurture positive employee experience culture, we value having employees be engaged with the company, with their team, and with their peers throughout their agency. Employee events and activities, including volunteering in our community, creates engagement. We also highly value when employees ask questions, and certainly when they ask what's expected of them. And we really love it when employees make suggestions. So much of the improvement in our organization has come from employee input over the years. We have great ways for employees to be involved, including safety committees, quality improvement teams, and employee activity committees. And you will learn about VOICE, our employee advisory committee.
All in all, we want STARS to be a great place to work. So much so that we ask you each year if you think we are. Great Place to Work is an independent organization that evaluates employee engagement through an annual survey. We have participated in the survey since 2016 and used employee input to continue to improve the employee experience. And based on the results of the surveys, STARS staff do indeed think STARS is a great place to work. So, to sum up, you are joining a great organization that has been doing great work in California for several decades. STARS is a company that strives for excellence, but all that great work is only possible because of you, our great staff. So we want to do everything we can to support you so that you can support our mission to serve others. Thank you for watching these introductory videos. Congratulations on joining the SBHG team. And welcome to STARS.